Hello friends, welcome to my channel shaizas Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet this mask adapter or ear saver, which is very easy and beautiful. You can just make this project within 5 or 10 minutes. You need to have a few yarn and the button. So let's start our project. For this project I have taken here acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic yarn, scissors, needle to sew this button, and the hook size, which is 3.5 mm. So we'll start the project with the magic ring. And then we'll make 3 chain, 1 2 3, yarn over, inside this 1 double crochet, yarn over, again inside 2, again inside 1 more. So totally we have 4 double crochet stitches, chain 2, yarn over, inside this 1 2 3 and 4. So we got here 4 double crochet, 2 chain, 4 double crochet. Now let's pull this yarn, short yarn, tightly, and then again chain 3, 1 2 3, turn the project, we'll reach to the center, and we are going to make a slip stitch. Chain 3, yarn over, inside this 1 2 3, 2 chain, yarn over, 1 2 3 and 4. Again chain 1 2 3, turn the project, we'll do the slip stitch inside this. Chain 3, 3 more double crochets, 1 2 3, 2 chain, 4 more double crochets inside the same space, 1 2 3 and 4. Chain 3, turn the project, inside this we'll make the slip stitch. This is how we are going to repeat until we get our desired length. Here I have finished with 1 2 3 4 5 6 rounds. Now let's continue. Here I have finished 6 rounds. Let's make chain 1 and leave a little long yarn to sew this button, and then we'll snip it off. Now using the needle we are going to sew this button. So here we have finished our project. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.